Oh Lord have mercy.
Idea. Do 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 do.
This is the worst haul of all time because you can't see anything, but I'm sorry. Done. Sneeze completed. Yeah, this stuff, and it was just...
And Tommy was always so good to like
really
everyone,
was.
and you saw an evil side to Tommy, and you're like, what?
No. Pokażę wam zaraz, jak wygląda wyjście na nasze konferencje. Zdrówko. Piszcie.
Hi guys, my name is Sierra Thrasher. Oh my god, hold on. Okay.
You need borax, of course, water, food coloring if you want. Bless me, I'm so sorry. And you need these.
Should look like if you followed every direction. Okay, so the only thing that I did was just finish up. I have to sneeze. Was finish up the rest of my face.
But we just finished at the vet. I'm about to sneeze. I think
God bless you, babe.
I'm allergic to cats, guys, and we're in the pet room, and I started sneezing.
The camera's picking it up that well, but look at that. Wow, and also here's a mirror. You guys are currently sitting on a pot of noodles, and my mirror's back there. That's why I keep looking at it to make sure. I keep looking in the mirror to make sure.
Сейчас. Ну и я очень голодная, поэтому пойду кушать.
Вот такое у меня тут творится на столе. Ой, сейчас чихну опять. Блин, кошмар. Заходила сейчас в Инстаграме.
I'm going to use this one. It's called On the Monet.
Giveaway. And if you've been following me on Twitter, you'll have seen that I'm doing a little bit of a lifestyle detox. Hang on. Okay, anyway, I've been doing
Sowej, czyli jesiennej. Tak, na jesień, która była. To jest tej takiej błyszczącej serii. No i moje starzy ulubieńcy, teraz będę kichać.
Because I don't typically get things from the Dollar Tree that you put in your body. Bless me.
Gonna make up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. Thank you.
You don't think so? You don't think I'm giving enough?